Good morning. Hope you're doing well. In case you're wondering about what you get for the bulletin tier, it might not have been covered very well. The bulletin tier does have a lot of Discord content. So if you're on a free tier or perhaps on the $5 tier where you just get access to the videos for $10, which obviously double the amount of the light tier, the $10 gets you the bulletin tier. The bulletin tier is unlocked a lot of Discord. And we can see we've got live prices, which is pretty decent. You know, you can have live prices in Discord, and you've got individual analysis on FX, Aussie, CAD, Swiss, Euro, Pound, Kiwi, Yen, Dollar, and yeah, Marco's really good. He won an award at FXCM's Best Trader South Africa, so for technical trading. So whatever Marco does, it's normally really good. So if his ideas line up with yours, it tends to be a really good confluence. And there's Marco's strong dollar thesis that lined up with mine, and up we go. And you would have seen cross dollar collapse this week. So you know, just for that, and it's only for $10 a month, pretty amazing. But you get more. Okay, so that's just FX. Commodities, we've got gold, oil, and silver. There's something I spotted on gold. We had an RSI divergence. The RSI crept higher than the prior high, whereas the price actually made a lower high. So there's a divergence between the two. Look at the strong move. It was a 1.5% decline yesterday. And that ties in to what I spotted in the US Treasuries. So that could have more legs to the downside. And so obviously have a look at that. Just click that link and it'll take you to the US Treasuries. And you do have that unlocked as well. So indices, these are all covered daily, which is pretty awesome. And let's come into the end. And obviously, because you've got the daily bulletin tier, you get the bulletin, which in itself is going to be amazing if you want to know when to buy the dip. See, right now we wouldn't want to be selling, particularly because the big pictures that we are risk on in so much as there's 11 people short in the market, the indices, versus the one person buying. Okay, so we still want to be a little bit careful. Dips are to be bought, but as we can see, we've got a bit of caution. It's caution because we've got reds. We've got red cells on the dashboard here. And if we're green across the board, then we're in dominant phase where the bulls are in control. When we've got red, we're extreme fear. And we won't go extreme fear because of that, this big picture view. If it goes into neutral positive, then yeah, we can be extreme fear. And at that point, we want to see a flip. And then we want that to go back to green. And then we're going to buy the dip. So that's how this is going to be absolutely amazing for you, knowing when to buy the dip. Right, so right now we've got a bit of caution, and so it's sort of saying, you know, probably going to see a little bit of safe haven flows, and we could see a stronger dollar. Okay, and the idea is that we're going to wait for that to go red, give it a couple of days, then it's going to flip to green, and then that's going to be the bear trap. Okay, and then we're going to want to go long at that point, and then we're going to the market's going to absolutely fly at that point. Okay. So that's the daily bulletin. You've got the economic calendar, some nice little tips, trading tips there and stuff. If you're interested in any prop firms, we have prop traders in QDB. So if you've got any questions, you can ask those guys. And also there's a link there as well if you wanted to get discounts and stuff like that. And then importantly, in the bulletin tier, you get the COT report as well. But you will need Excel because this is an Excel file. So you'll need a physical copy of Excel on your computer. All right. And so if you click it, it's not going to know what an XLS file is. So if you've got Excel, it will launch it and away you go. And so that in itself's worth $10 a month. Just for that, and you're going to get a lot of stuff. And you don't have access to the bot, and you don't have access to the trading chat, and you don't have access to the signals. If you want those, you need to upgrade to the basic tier, which is then $20 a month. But for the bulletin tier, you get a ton of stuff, and you're also eligible for the robot testing as well, and we had a really good day on Friday. So that would have paid for your bulletin tier in a single day. Okay, so admittedly we didn't have a great day Thursday, but we had a good day on Friday. That would have paid for the bulletin tier. All right, so just a quick one there, in case you're not sure what you get for the $10 a month, and you get a lot of stuff. So hopefully it helps, and I'll speak to you guys soon.